Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, unfortunately, is pretty rainy and gross, but yesterday we had a beautiful day, so I was finally able to install my EVANNEX, however you say it, interior LED lights. I've been really looking forward to this modification because my wife and I both thought it was just too dark in the car. It was really hard to see. It was kind of like being in a cave, so I was really looking for something to improve the interior lighting. Luckily, these guys sell this part. It's not too cheap, unfortunately, but the quality seemed great. I really liked it, and they went in really nicely. So in this video here, I do have to apologize for some of the audio. I bought a new microphone because I'm trying to make this channel better for you guys and have better audio. And it just didn't work out quite as well as I had hoped. There was a lot of wind noise. Unfortunately, I live on a busy street, so there's always cars going down the road, and you can still kind of hear that. So bear with me. So I'm retaking the intro here just because the first part didn't turn out well at all because of the wind. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you stay to the very end, I do a comparison of before and after the installation, so you'll be able to see what it's like in the dark. All right, that's it guys, enjoy. So here's the kit as it arrived. It comes with a 3-page instruction, and it goes over locations and the tool. This is the tool that it comes with. I already started to remove the lights, and I did need a small flathead screwdriver. So that's one tool that I needed that was just a little thinner than this tip here so far. And you can see the price right there. It's unfortunately not that cheap, but I think it'll make a really big difference inside the vehicle. The Model X has 8 lights. So these are the 8 light fixtures that come in this kit. It's pretty bright out here, but hopefully you can see the part okay. All right, here we go. So here's the first one. This is the one I needed a flathead screwdriver for. It was really tough getting out, but you just have to gently pry right there. I pried up the edge just a little bit, and you could see on the, I broke this clip right here pulling it out. I don't think it's that big of a deal because they're just going to go in the box. I'll probably never use these ever again, but I did want to protect the plastic as much as possible. I just had to open and close the rear door to show you this, but I'm not sure if it'll come out on camera, but here's what it looks like without upgrading. So this is the OEM light right now. It looks like there's just one tiny LED in there. It's really not very bright. So right now I'm going to put the camera down. I'll install the new one and you can see the difference. All right, here is the new one. Big difference. It is so much brighter. There are 6 LEDs in there instead of just one. So much brighter. I could already tell this is going to be great. And then you just take it, let's see, and you push it in. All right, so this is going to require 2 hands. I'm going to have to put the camera down and try to get this thing in here. All right, just took a good shove with 2 thumbs and I got it up in there. One down. The next one is right over here. All right, so that's 2 down. This one was super easy. You just get in there and you can just like pull it out. I pulled that out quite easy. And then you just take it, and it's only in carpet, so it just sits right in there nicely. All right, so next I think I will do the frunk. Okay, and right there you can see the next 2. I'm getting all the easy ones done first. The other ones are going to require me crawling around a little bit more. But yeah, there's the next 2. You can see there's only 1 glowing LED in each of those. These new EVANNEX lights are just going to be so much better, so much brighter. I don't know if you can see that, but if there's a side-by-side comparison, you can see how this one is just so much brighter. This is going to be kind of hard to show, but there's a light right here. There's also a light on the passenger side footwell, and the last 2 lights are going to be underneath these 2 seats. So I doubt I'll be able to get those on film, but I'll I'll see what I can do for you guys. Oh yeah, that is so much brighter. And here we are on the passenger side. All right, here I am in the passenger side rear now. I have no idea if this is gonna come out, but I moved the seat all the way forward and up, and I have very easy access to these. So easy, they're just right there. Try and do this one-handed, there we go. So that's a nice trick, is to move the seat all the way forward and up. Still a little tight, I'm a big guy, but can't do it one-handed. Let's do it two-handed. I don't know if these are just a slightly different size, but I'm having a hard time getting this one in there. There it goes. All right, good. One more. Okay, we're on to the last one. Nice. One-handed installation. Well, it's as simple as that. It took me maybe 10 minutes, if that. It took me longer to try to set up the right camera angle and everything. But EVANNEX, EVANNEX, however you say it, they seem like they're going to be really good. Tonight I'll come back out and I will try to get some night footage and see if I can tell if they're any brighter. I think they will be. But check these guys out online. They have a ton of accessories for all of the Teslas. But I guess that's it for now. I will come back out here tonight and see how it looks. Unfortunately, it's pretty windy out here tonight, but I wanted to try to get some footage of how the lighting is currently at night. It does look quite dim. Just walking around, trying to show you as much as I can. It's pretty much as dark as it looks. There are lights all over the place. I can see them underneath the seats. I can see them over there under the front dash. But it's just still not very bright. I'm really looking forward to seeing the improvements of the new lights that are going to be installed. Alright, yeah, I guess that's about it. And it's super windy, so I'm not sure how this is even going to sound. But as you can see, it's pretty dark, even though there really are lights all over the place. It's just they're quite dim. Alright, so tomorrow morning I'm going to do the installation and we'll see how it goes from there. So iPhones evidently have a hard time picking up things at night. I'm just noticing that as I do some editing on the other clips that I've taken of this. But I can tell you 100% that this is so much brighter. I really like the new lights. I think they look great. It's going to help us see so much in here. And I mean, just look at the reflection on the car. I didn't have that at all. And you can see how filthy the back is, unfortunately. We just got pumpkins. It's October, Halloween's coming up, and the pumpkin kind of rolled around and got my car all dirty. But yeah, these lights are awesome. I highly recommend them. Just wow, just look at that. That's so much better. Next, I plan on getting the little Tesla puddle lights. They aren't too much money, so I found an Amazon seller for those. But yeah, this is just so much brighter. You can actually see stuff in here. All right, yeah, so that's it. Just wanted to wrap this up. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped somebody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. If you're still here, I thought I'd throw in a little bonus footage. I just got my 3D Max Spider floor mats installed. My front seat's all the way forward, but I thought I'd show you this row first. They're really nice. The only thing weird is that the middle's still a little high right there. I won't do like a whole installation video because I didn't take one, but maybe I'll show you in the light at a different day. But before I close everything up for the night, I wanted to show you how nice these are with these brand new lights. It really reflects a lot better than the carpet, so that gave me even better light than what I think you saw in the last clip. But yeah, these are really great, and I actually have them back here in the third row too, but I'll save that for another video. All right, guys, I'm tuning out for real this time. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.